Morning and welcome back to day 7 of our Walt Disney World trip in March 2026. It is fully blue skies today. Woohoo! Woo! We are off to Blizzard Beach today. We had a late one last night at Fantasmic, so we're having a relaxing one today and then nice tea tonight at Disney Springs. Place your glasses down below of where you think we might be eating. And we're going on the icebergs today apparently. Yeah. For a dull day when Mum's about. Oh, you got the fling and flip flops on. I have. You'll have to go back and find that video.
Flip flop flingers.
The flip flop flinger. If you've not seen it, all phantom flip flop flinger. Try and say it that fast after you've had a pint. We are going to go and get some breakfast at the quick service at the resort, just because there's not a lot of breakfast options at Blizzard Beach. So we're going to go and do that, get the bus over and sit on the lazy river like this all day. Breakfast was just the same as yesterday. Mickey got waffle platter and Mum and Dad had an avocado bowl and an omelette. Daisy had cereal. Blizzard Beach is heaving yet again. Sarcastic much. There's like 3 or 4 rows full of cars and that's it. Car park is basically empty. So we're gonna head in now and have the most fantastical day. We do need some new water shoes though, because we accidentally left them in the Uber on the way back from Discovery Cove. Well, it was a joint effort between me and Mum. Leaving the water shoes in the
That's right.
Uber. A one-day ticket for a water park is $74 for an adult at the minute. It's not, but when you think of like the 14-day UK ticket is, what's that say, media? They must have known I was coming. Blizzard Beach. I'm gonna go in there for water shoes. Hi.
Hello.
Yep.
That's a job I could do.
I'd be well up for that job.
Yeah.
I'd even get a big Mickey hand out.
Mickey hand.
They used to do that at Typhoon Lagoon.
Did they?
Used to walk in, they'd have big Mickey hands on waving at you.
Yeah, and you do high fives.
Yeah. Blizzard Beach. Tykes Teak's got a little thing across it. That might be the media event. Yeah, we'll go around the other icebergy one maybe. They said the media's here, I just thought they meant me. Right, so we normally go in Tykes Peak just there, which is the little one. But it's got a rope across at the moment, so I assume that's where they're filming. But we'll find out. Taking up residence at the ski patrol area. Daisy's got herself a little life vest because I'll say I rather than we forgot her life jacket. What? I know, but I should have packed it. They've closed Tykes Peak. I'm not sure why. They didn't say when it's going to reopen. I've got a feeling they're either doing a commercial or like an influencer event or something down there. So Daisy's requested to go on the icebergs, which are just behind us, and she's requested to do Lazy River. We have new shows, jazzy ones this time, not black and white. Daisy's got new ones, she's just in the pool playing with the icebergs. I'm just waiting for my sun cream to sink in a little bit because I didn't put any on in the room this morning, so I'm just giving it a minute before I get in the pool. But I've just laid on the bed and I was like, I could lovely, quite easily fall asleep and just not move and just so relaxed and chilled out. But I think Daisy wants me to go play in the pool, so I should probably go and do that instead. But every inch of me just wants to lie in the sunbed and just nap. But I'm gonna go play with the little one. She's still doing more icebergs. She's got her shoes on this time, so we won't have an injury. If you saw that vlog, it was quite an eventful vlog. If you've not seen it already, the last time we were at Blizzard Beach, this trip. So go back and watch that because it was an eventful day. We ended up at first aid in Blizzard Beach. Something else happened on the morning, I think. And there was a disaster with tea. And it was just all kicking off. So go and give that a watch if you want and entertain. Oh, I know what happened. That's the Phantom Flip-Flop Flinger episode. Definitely worth a watch. Right, I'm gonna go and find everybody in the pool and I'll see you in there.
You still do a turbo. You ready? Keep your legs straight. Oh, you're welcome.
Bless her. Mum's got her cool dude glasses. They look good then. They're very reflective. Oh, she's off. She jumped. She jumped, yeah. Oh. Go for it, Daisy.
You're getting brave.
Go for it, baby. 3, 2, 1.
Right,
Whoa!
slow down, Daisy. No. Oh, wow.
Whoa! Quick! Well done, monkey. You can jump that. Hey!
Let's go, Eddie. Can you?
You can jump that.
Give it a ball.
Daisy, look at me before you jump. Hey! Well done.
Right, turbo.
Do turbo mode to there.
Right, go in the lazy river.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Turbo boost.
Turbo boost.
That is Mommy faster.
Hey!
No,
Oi!
I can't believe that I jumped.
You did jump. Well done.
I can't believe
Oh, darling.
Best holiday ever.
Woohoo!
Where's the lazy river?
This way.
This way.
Follow me.
No, follow me.
She's off again.
Are you having a good time, Daisy?
Good job. So if you come to Blizzard Beach and it's not that busy and you can't find like tubes and things on the lazy river, walk through the mountain past the waterfall and this is where they are stored. So you just wander down here and then get one. Thank you. Save you waiting for one. A lot easier than waiting because we were waiting a good 5-10 minutes and literally nothing was coming. Everything was full. So. What? Oh no, don't throw water at us again.
I think you should sit in that and we'll have one round before we start chucking water over people.
Yeah, because
Because we've got experience.
I would like to relax. Oh, there's Nana. Push her over that way.
Oh, look at that.
Push her that way so she's on her own. Ah, I was going to get your picture.
You break.
I'm going to relax since we've conveniently missed out the waterfall.
Maybe we have to get out before the waterfall.
Maybe we have to do that every time. She didn't want to go through the other waterfalls. Oi! It's Mammy to you.
Working herself now. She was in it, lovely.
She called me Amy. When she's in a worky ticket mood, I get called Amy. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I took the kids here for a night when. No.
Uh-oh. Look what's down there. Where are you taking me?
Before now.
For a nice teeny float?
Yeah.
You don't have any other alternative
No, I don't.
things?
No.
None at all?
Not at all.
None at all? So that big water jet thing over there has got nothing to do with this nice little float? Uh-huh.
It won't be. I promise. Get out of the way.
Daisy, stop it. That's cool! Little monkey, yeah? You! Right rascal. It's freezing water coming out of there and all. Absolutely freezing. She's up to something. What are we doing?
Tip it together.
What are we doing?
Let's tip it together.
Tip it together, who won?
Look at the other bar. Cat.
1, 2, 3.
Hey! The little monster, you! Are getting disowned.
So you do water and I do leaves.
Yeah, it's not just water. She's finding leaves to put in there as well. Little monster. What are you doing?
Putting you on the white.
Oh, why?
Cause. And it won't take you ever else. You just
I think Nana likes the dirty washing better than Mummy.
No.
Scamper back over the other side.
From mussels.
From mussels?
Woo.
I'm not doing anything. Don't you mind me.
Okay, I'm doing.
Get Nana.
No, you.
Nana!
No, you. No, you. No, you.
Oh, I got a cold in my nose.
That's cold. Went through the middle. Safe. Go and get yourself under that dirty sock.
I'm putting my feet up.
Okay. Oh. I wasn't paying attention. It was nearly a disaster. She knew it. You knew what was about to happen, didn't you? Oh, I didn't have my wits about me. And Nana's sneakily gone down the other side. Excuse me, who?
You.
And that my name is.
Amy.
It's Mummy to you, Missy. I'll start calling you Ducky. Oi! What are you up to? No.
What are you up to, Daisy?
Oh, get off!
What are you up to?
I'm covered in leaves! You, Missy. Daisy! Daisy! I've got lots of leaves. Daisy, I think it's Nana's turn. What was I just saying about still having dry hair? Leaves all over.
I must admit, I did suggest it's Nana's turn. She went, no, Mummy.
No, I've suggested it's Nana's turn as well, and I got told no. I think we should tip water on Daisy's head.
Yeah.
No, don't.
Yeah.
Don't, please.
We've got ice cream snacks. We just got off the lazy river. I've gone for the hot fudge brownie without whipped cream. Daisy's got a vanilla swirl. Mum's got it with whipped cream, and Dad's is empty. Oh dear. I think the bar's closed.
You'd looked.
I'm gonna go and have a sit down and eat this. It'll be very tasty. It's the first time I've had one of these.
Looks nice.
Uh-huh.
Looks like half a cake. Ton of ice cream.
And very tasty. I think we'll go this way. The ice cream's better than the other day. It was a bit sorbet-like the other day. It's like, yeah, mustn't have had it frozen properly because Daisy's melted really quickly the other day, and it was like, I'd say half the temperature. It was like 24, 25 degrees instead of like 30. So the fact that it's holding its shape, we're doing a lot better. All got our snacks.
Hey.
Woo.
Hey.
Woo!
Cheers, Daisy. Cheers.
Have you had any of the brownie yet, man?
Yeah.
Nice.
But I'm at the corner.
Wow, that's cool. Not leaking today.
Nice, isn't it?
That's a nice brownie.
Hey.
I was expecting it being a bit of a naff brownie because it was golden ice cream, but that's a very nice brownie.
Doesn't get any better than this.
It's nice when Blizzard Beach isn't hectic. We've had a pit stop. I've had a lie on the sunbed for maybe half an hour. Daisy's been in the pool with my dad. And look what we've elevated to. She's literally been on this like half an hour since we got back. Now fully using the ropes and surfing across them.
You did it. There you go. You just be patient and come back to you. Push that one towards you. Don't get in there. There you go, Daisy. There, look.
Wow.
Oh, nearly. But nearly, don't worry.
Let go. Oh, you
there
rescued
go.
it.
He's on. He's nearly on.
There you go, Daisy. Now drop to your knees. Drop
There you
to-
go.
You're on it, drop to your knees. Drop to your knees.
There you go, baby.
You're on it, Daisy. You're on. Wow. Hey. The stairs to the right. Right, now watch. Now
Right,
the
quick.
Where are you going?
Whoa.
I'll tell you when to let go.
Whoa, Daisy.
That rope, that's the first time she's done that. she before that's like a jump on it side,
Yeah.
but like I'm bored now, I'm surfing them in.
We must have only been on those beds half an hour for her to make that revelation.
Yeah. I think I fell asleep for 5 minutes.
Me too.
And as I walked away, I thought, oh, if she likes them much longer, she's going to get red legs, so I probably come
Yeah.
over here.
Right, I'll tune back in when Daisy's doing her next ice road crossing. Daisy! Whoa! Daisy, slow down! Daisy, let the little girl go. You just chill on that one for a bit. Whoa! Whoa! Daisy!
Right. Whoa! You got a wibbly wobbly on there. You know how to work it out. It's coming towards you now. Jump on it and surf it in.
Woo!
Not by yourself. Alright, wait till it comes next time. It's coming, are you ready?
Whoa!
You're in. Turbo boost.
Right, Daisy, 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 Daisy.
Oh, hang on, what's happening?
Should we do one more icebergs, then do Lazy River?
Yeah.
And then whatever time we've got left after we've done Lazy River, we'll come back in.
Right, are you ready for turbo boost? Are we doing it on your back now? Are you just doing things weird, aren't you?
No, no.
Oh, look at that! Oh, turbo boost!
You can tell the different stages of her confidence, can't you? I mean,
Yeah.
yesterday it was just barely getting on an iceberg, now it's
I know.
like jumping across.
I know. She's mental. And last year she wouldn't even go in the pool, where this year she's like, "I off in the pool, I see you later." And you're like, "No."
I know. She's been amazed now. Amazed. The only thing is, let's see when she just runs and jumps.
Daisy, it's coming back. Whoa, speed! Speed challenge. How fast can you go?
See what I mean?
Daisy, turn round. It's coming back.
It'll come back.
Woohoo! Jeez.
I'm here.
Swim this way.
You stacked it, not watching what you do. Do you want to have one more go? One more go to go across.
One more go.
One quick
Okay.
go, then we'll do it. Because you nearly did it. Right, here we go. Turbo boost. You good to go, sweetheart?
I get it now.
Good job. Keep paying attention. Wow, speed challenge. Speed challenge, Daisy.
I didn't really even have to push that forward.
Good job. Quick.
Over to the other one, Oswald. Oh, careful, careful. Hold on, Ozzy.
Whoa.
Hold in, Oswald. Hold in, Oswald. Come in.
You've got it. It's getting there, Daisy.
No, Daisy, you're doing it. You're doing it. You're not doing it. You're doing it, Daisy.
You can jump.
Wow.
Way! Flying dismount. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Amazing.
Daisy, high five.
Right, let's do
Right,
it all through.
Daisy, hang on. Right. Do you mean
Lazy River.
Do you mean family raft ride or do you mean lazy river?
Lazy River.
Okay.
I got to the wrong bit.
You got the wrong one.
Right, you did.
It nearly ended up carnage.
Yes.
So that was
Back into the lazy river. There's plenty of tubes around now. It's about, well, it is 20 to 3.
So we've got
About 20 minutes. Oh yeah. 40 minutes.
Says the accountant.
I don't do time.
3:30, Gramps. So
All I charge in is days. It's been lovely today. Ha 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 ha. He leaped me in. I wasn't planning on keeping hold of it, but since you've suggested a footrest, why not? Got a footrest on the go. I've managed to keep my hair dry all day. And you know what's coming up? The waterfall. Is it bad if I get out and walk around? Oh dear. We've probably got about 40 minutes until we're gonna exit said park and go and get ready for tea tonight. You always have to allow for like transport time. It's like buses and boats and things like that. So I'd always allow an hour to get back to your resort and an hour to get to whichever dining reservation you want to go to as well. Because most transport takes about 20 minutes to get anywhere. And if you've missed the bus, it'll take an extra like 20 minutes for it to arrive. And then there's like loading, unloading, walking to and from the places and stuff like that as well. So always allow an hour between travels. Or you'll be doing like what I did last time and was like literally running to the Edison. And we know how that's ended, don't we? What a nightmare. But we've still got an additional dining credit to use. And I need to get my finger out because we've got a week to use it. So I need to either book a signature restaurant, which is 2 credits. I just had a thought then that we might do Cinderella's Royal Table if I can get a reservation. But I don't think Daisy's a fan of the princesses. I'm just not sure. Yeah, so we either need to do a signature or we need to have 2 restaurants in one day, which I could be very full that day. I need to have a little look at the plans and see what we fancy doing. And yes, that is the waterfall behind me, I think. Yes. Oh dear. My hair's dry and everything. Excuse me. Oh. Excuse me. Oh. Relatively unsafe, but it is definitely wet. Daisy, you okay, baby? You've got a plan? What's your plan? Stan? You be careful.
Try and do it away from the road.
I thought Dad was going to dip you under the big bit. I was disappointed.
Were you filming it?
Yeah.
I told him not to. He said, do you trust us? So I said, yes.
Oh, that's nice. Think it was your anniversary trip. Oh, the sun's out again.
Yeah, if he throws down the wrong side, he might go the last took 61 years. 41 years with me. Or 61 years.
Yeah. Also, you've got no whiskey or wine tonight because you've got the money.
I did it!
You did it?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna relax for the rest of it. No.
Denzi, what did you say?
No.
I'm not going to push Mummy under the waterfall. That would be nasty.
No. Well, what about your sweet little daughter? Oh, okay.
Trying to be quick on this. I'll tell you when to be quick.
Oh, because of the man that... Right, now.
Okay.
You tell me exactly what...
She said, I tell you when to be quick with this. Cause of... Oh wait, make sure we're there to see.
Right, what do we have to do? I have to make sure
Payback time. Where do you think you're going?
I'm not going down there. I had plenty of it last time we were here. Trust me, I'm just cold if I know.
Uh-oh. Daisy, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's freezing.
Oh, I got a cold in my nose.
Oh no, she missed it. She's not. Do I just risk it? See if my look's changed. Oh, just missed it. Woohoo! Oh, now when I'm celebrating, it's going to do me anyway, isn't it?
Put your legs up.
Uh-oh, this bit could be risky. I'm not. Oi! Stop it! Stop it! Do you want to go to Raglan Road tonight or not? I can cancel it. Don't pick on the chief trip organizer. Oh dear, can't take him anyway. He's just drowned me twice. So he's not coming to Raglan Road anymore. He's going to sit in the room and think about his behaviour. Having two children. I've said that more than once this holiday. Oh, this is going to be amusing.
You ready? Here we go! What she said?
She said, you said this wasn't in my Gramps contract. She said, was it in your brain contract?
No, she's way up.
A bit backwards.
Yeah. Are you ready? And there we go. Are you ready? I'm going to clear it with the back somersault. Are you ready?
I'd like to see that.
Right. Here we go.
He got stuck under it.
So
This is show number 3.
back somersault with the triple salto. You ready? Right. Did you move it again? You! I thought this was a line.
No.
I thought it was a You little monkey, I'm going to get you for that.
Daisy, Do you want 1 go on the ice cubes?
Oh.
Well, you can have 0 goes on the ice cubes. 1. 1. Well, you can the options are 0 or 1. Which option do you want?
1.
If you ask Gramps, you might get 2.
2.
Right, done. Let's go.
Right, but Daisy, listen. As soon as you've done 2, straight out.
Right, because we missed the bus. In somehow.
In. Daisy, do the big finale.
Dizzy! 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 Dizzy, look! Look! In! You're going to start pointing at me. I haven't had enough beers.
I think he has had enough beers.
Got 2.
They were big ones.
He's had more than enough before and been fine.
I know.
He's going to his end today.
So you know why? Because he's just had breakfast. He's not had any dinner. I want to do some shopping tonight.
Oh, yeah?
I'm going to do some damage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you have to
I don't know.
just whatever you see.
Everything. I've just got it all to myself. Right, let's get stuff sorted and then get these 2 children on the bus. So we were packing up anyway, but everyone's been kicked out of the waterways because of that big black cloud over there. There's thunder and... What?
I think it's going to pass. I've seen worse.
I have seen worse, and it doesn't... Normally the temperature drops and it goes windy.
Sometimes that's what it is.
I think he's on his phone.
Oh.
It sounded like he was responding to us, but I don't think he was.
Yeah, normally you sense it, don't you? Everything goes calm, everything goes black. And all of a sudden it gets a bit windy if it's cool.
Yeah.
And then all hell's let loose.
Yeah. So I'm hoping they're just being a bit preemptive so we can get on the buses before it does tip it down. But yeah, they've closed all the waterways because there is thunder and lightning in the area. Can't remember the vicinity for them to close it down, but there must be some thunder and lightning somewhere. So hopefully it hasn't made the buses busy, because to be fair, it's not started raining yet, so people won't have started tipping out. So they've just gone for food and snacks. So you told you it was quicker going this way.
Where have you 2 been? We've been doing the full video thing around there. Yeah.
Right, we're going to get the stuff out the locker, head back to the buses, and then Dizzy, we're going to go dancing. Oh, that was thunder. Like the thunder song of Ted. And that's a wrap for Blizzard Beach today. I think we've got 1 more visit scheduled in. Oh. No, they've still got I was wondering if they were reopening them. They're not. They've still got them closed. I mean, if you look that way, absolutely not an issue. Behind us is a bit of a black cloud, but normally the temperature drops and stuff and you can feel it. But we were packing up anyway. Hi! Little one has misplaced her magic band, we think, in the lazy river, so we're going to have to sort that out. So if you do lose a magic band, if you go onto My Disney Experience app, find your magic bands, you can deactivate them. They all should have a PIN number on them anyway, but I'll deactivate it when I'm on the bus, and we can put a lost and found request in, but squirrel fight, the likelihood of finding it is probably slim to none, so we'll probably get her one.
She's consistent. That's a pair of glasses and the magic band.
To be fair, I found that I lost the glasses last year. She gave them to me. There's video evidence of them giving them to me, and then all of a sudden me not having them.
It's funny that I had video evidence of 2 pints of beer, and then they just disappeared.
Oh,
Where'd the person go?
I don't know.
Some blood.
Poof! There's a bus there.
Right.
He might be going. He might be staying. That big bus in front of you.
The animal kingdom.
Yeah. Right, let's get on this bus, get back to the resort for Raglan Road. We are now changed and presentable to go for tea. We're going to Spings. We're going to go to Raglan Road, if you didn't catch the couple of times that I dropped it in earlier. We're We're gonna get the boat from Riverside. It's been a long time since we've not been to Riverside. Can't speak.
Take two.
We've only been to Springs
How
once.
many cocktails did you have today?
0.
You should have had one, you never been able to speak.
It's because I've had more food. So we've only been to Springs once on the boat so far. Last year, I'm sure we were there every night.
Yep. Do we beat the horse or after?
Yeah, beat the horse because we need to get the boat. So we've got 55 minutes to get there. There's a little bit of a queue for the boat. I've got a feeling it might take 2. And there's not currently one in sight. So we might have to get our walking legs back on, but at least you know where this one is. Hopefully they've not sold it out this time. If you've seen that vlog, you need to go and watch it if not. It was a disaster. I'm looking forward to shepherd's pie.
Having shepherd's pie again?
I don't know, but it's very nice.
Try something else and then next time we go on shepherd's pie again.
I know, but he's going to have steak
He's
again.
not.
He's
I
not.
had shepherd's pie mentioned.
He says he's not, and I'm not either. We're not different.
What did you have last time? Steak. Oh yes, you did. Our dad was going to have the pulled beef sandwich thing.
Which is a bit like steak, so it should,
I mean,
why not go for the steak?
exactly. Right, let's go and wait for this boat. It's definitely going to take 2 because the queue's filled up a bit more since we've walked around. So, fingers crossed I don't have to run again for the reservation, but it should be fine, hopefully. Last time the biggest problem was the fact that we had to wait about 10 minutes when we got to Springs to be able to dock. Because there was too many boats moving about on the dock at Springs. So hopefully it's all good this time. You go first. Hello. I saw it, of course. We made it to Raglan Road with 2 minutes to spare, thank the goodness. The boat was a direct boat, so it didn't stop at French Quarter. If it stopped at French Quarter, we'd have been late. So thank goodness for that. My luck might have changed. So we're just waiting for our table now. It's absolute carnage. It always is at Raglan Road. It's a Thursday night, so it's not even properly the weekend. It's always busy in here. So I can't wait to get seated and have some food. And our favourite two are on. The favourite two band is on. Oh, my dad will be very happy. So will Daisy. And I'm very happy. So we're inside. Because we've been at Blizzard Beach today, we've not really had anything since breakfast. Me and Mum and Daisy all had ice cream, but Dad had nothing. So we've ordered the bread, which is additional to the dining plan, $6. Just to make Dad's brain start working again because he's gone too far. So it is brown soda bread with a Guinness drizzle and oil. So it comes with a Guinness thing and a butter thing. Okay. And what?
Who's had some of that?
Oh, you've had the Guinness!
Like some?
Look at you! Is it nice? Look, the dancers are on. And their soft shoes, they normally do the proper river dance stuff.
Put in the water behind.
Thank you. that goes! Food's arrived. Daisy got the grilled chicken with broccoli and mash. Because she loves broccoli and mash. I went for the serious steak for the first time because I fancy some onion rings.
Can I just say, I'll swap you my onions for your steak if that's all you want onions.
No, you're alright. Mum's got fish and chips. Dad's got steak and we've got parmesan fries to share. We finished Raglan Road. It was very tasty. I had the steak. It was very, very nice. My onion rings were good too. How was your fish and chips?
Always very nice. Very nice.
Good. Was your steak?
Could have done with some peas on the plate, like.
Peas?
Yeah.
Is your steak still as good as normal?
Oh, superb. Very nice.
Very good. Right, I'm going to tap out because we're all tired. It's, I don't even know what time it is. 9:30. It's 9:30. We've got a slow start in the morning because we've got Magic Kingdom tomorrow. We're going to stay for fireworks. Little ones are kip already. So I'm going to say good night from Disney Springs and I will see you in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to small little channels like myself. Trying to grow this year, and it would mean the absolute world if you would like to support my little corner of the internet. So I'm going to say night. Don't forget to make your own magic because if you don't, no one else will. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.